You also want to ace your next coding interview round? I have started Top Interview 150 Problem series, and today I am going to discuss first problem. The problem says that we are given two sorted arrays and we have to give the output in a way that carries all the elements from both of the arrays, but the output has also going to be sorted. And in the output we have to return nums1, where you see the elements are given in such a way that there are zeros at the end. In the case of these zeros, we just have to enter the elements that are eligible to be here to build an extra index, and the index size is going to be the m plus n minus 1, where m and n is respective size of both of the arrays. So a coding pattern we are going to use is two pointer approach. Since the array is sorted, two pointer approach already should come in our head, because in case of sorted array we already know that smaller element is at the beginning and larger element is at the end. So, and also one thing is very prominent here to notice, that we have started filling out elements from the ending, not beginning, because we don't want to override the elements. This I have already discussed properly in my full YouTube video. You can check that out. Let's quickly jump towards building the solution. Here we know that since the elements are greater at the end, so we are just going to compare the elements. We will pick the larger element and we will start filling out the element in the end. So here if 6 and 3, if we compare, if 6 is bigger, then 6 is going to get at the end. 5 and 3 is bigger, so 5 is going to be placed in the output array. Now 2 and 3 is bigger, so 3 will come in the output array. 2 and 2 is bigger, so similarly whenever elements from num2 or num1, any element gets exhausted, the array loop is going to get over. But this is how we approach that we start filling out elements from the end.